Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. In this video I'm going to reveal you men the way you could make $50 over and over again on YouTube, so that is something that you have by no means visible earlier than, so make sure to watch this video until stop. And additionally, I am going to show you men how you make construct online enterprise on YouTube, even if you are not a YouTuber, even if you do not add any YouTube motion pictures, or maybe in case you don't have a YouTube channel, so that is something, as I said, which you have in no way seen earlier, then so make certain to watch this video until give up. So what are we doing right here? I am going to expose you guys how you can begin your online commercial enterprise in 2019. So you're probably trying to find something. This is definitely clean to get started out with, so that is genuinely easy to begin. You want to go looking, you are likely searching for something that doesn't require huge funding, so that you probably do not have heaps of cash to spend money on your online business, and you are likely searching for something that works 100. So I am going to provide you men this technique, and it's miles all going to be totally free, so you don't want to fear approximately some courses or something like that. I am going to expose you men this step by way of step 4, loose a way to do it. So if you need to help this video, you want to support me for making this content material without cost, just make sure to press that like button, which means up global to me. So thank you guys for always helping me, and additionally, in case you are new to my YouTube channel, make certain to press that subscribe button, because we add day-by-day films in this channel on a way to make cash online, so that you don't want to pass over that out. So allows communicate about allows speak approximately what are we doing in modern video, so that is something which you have by no means visible earlier than. So step 1 is you want to search for YouTube channels from 10,000 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers. So there are some techniques to do, and you are going to provide them a few offerings that I'm going to expose you guys step by way of step a way to do it. So we are attempting to find YouTube channels from 10,000 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers, so that you're probably going to ask yourself why we're searching for those YouTube channels from this variety. And the reason why is those channels are already making some cash on YouTube, so they probably have a few money to make investments, and you can provide them some exclusive services that I am going to reveal you guys how to do it, because they've money and they want to improve their YouTube channels to make even extra cash, and I am going to expose you guys, as I said, the way to do it. So step 2 is you need to test out certainly one of their videos, and you want to look if they have data on their YouTube video, so that you in all likelihood realize what is intro, but this is inside the beginning of the video, some seconds, wherein you will see a name of YouTube channel emblem or something like that. So this is an intro for a YouTube channel. So what we need to do is we want to, for example, pass and search. That is the nice way to do it for gaming channels, but you could do it in something area of interest. You need to simply go and write as an instance food, or write gaming, or write the call of the sport or something like that. So let's see meals, and what we need to do is we want to click on filter. So we want to kind the type we need to see most effective channels. We do not want to look motion pictures. So here you could see this channel right here has 73,000 subscribers, and you do not want to go together with this massive big variety subscribers, due to the fact they probably have already got all of the offerings they want. They already invested the money in their channels. You need to go together with this from 10,000 to 100,000 subscriber range. So right here you can see this channel right here, 73,000 subscribers, 9,000 subscribers, 59,000 subscribers and greater. So to show you men an instance, so there are lots of big channels proper right here, but you do not want to go along with that. So I want to expose you men what you want to do right here. So for instance, we are going to go along with this channel proper right here. So you want to head in, test in the event that they have a small intro for their channel, and in the event that they have an intro for the channel, you just need to move and look for the following one so that you don't need to provide intro for the channel that have already got one, or if you see that they have an awful intro you want to offer them, hire one for a few money, and if they do not have intro you want to go on about and store their electronic email deal with, or you want to touch them on Instagram or something, they've so the way to do it, so simply click on YouTube channel, and also you 90% of the time while you click on approximately you will see your view electronic mail address, so this one would not help, so let's have a look at if this one has. So here you may see this channel right here you may see view cope with, so you click on in this view email address you are going to look email cope with, and you want to shop it if they do not have intro, or in the event that they have bad intro and you can offer them hire one. So that is an absolutely huge issue due to the fact all YouTube channels want information for their channels due to the fact they need to get diagnosed in few seconds while you play their videos. So the next element is why you collect as a minimum 20 specific email addresses you need to offer them to do intro for them. So I am going to show men can do intro in much less than a few minutes. You do not need to fear about that if you don't know how to make it or a way to do it. However, at the least shall we say acquire 10 email addresses, because no longer all guys are going to be interested in your offer. So shall we embrace from 20 emails if let's assume 3 humans or people or 4 people are genuinely inquisitive about your provide within the buy the product, you are going to make $200. So this is clearly as smooth as it gets. So acquire as a minimum 3 mail 20 electronic mail addresses and offer them to do service for them like intro. So now I am going to expose you guys how you could make beautiful intros in less than few seconds. So move and sign up for this internet site right here. Just move and replica paste it on Google, and whilst you move direct intros, which can be going to be a really brilliant looking one, so that you're going to create it depends in case you're going to with game channel or something like that. In case you're going with meals channel, I might go along with this one proper here because it's far something that is related to food channel. However, you don't want to go for example like footwear channel for a food channel that definitely doesn't have any experience. So shall we embrace we are going with cooking proper right here. So here you can see this is an intro for cooking channel. However, let's assume if we are going with intro in gaming, so right here you may see that is in reality an extraordinary one. So right here you notice the way it seems like, so shall we say we're making intro for my gaming YouTube channel. So here you can see you can place name textual content, you could put subtitle tags in which you could see here first and ultimate, so that you can place here your so simply show you guys an example the way it appearance the way it looks like, so you can put it to look white, or you may trade color. I will leave it as it's miles. And now we are able to see a preview for our intro. So let's see how our intro looks like. So he's going to take a few seconds to render, and as I stated, we have already got intro for my gaming YouTube channel. So I suppose this is absolutely simple to do, and numerous human beings do not without a doubt have intros, but they need one, but they can't discover wherein is the proper place to shop for this type of intros, and you will step in and provide them services so that you can promote. I saw a few human beings promoting on Upwork like, and so humans promoting those form of intros on Upwork or freelancing websites for $100 or $200 in order. You can see this is simply a beautiful intro. It is going to be slower because they don't need to then do not want you to get this intro without cost, so that you really want to pay $9 to shop for this intro without watermark. So it's for 9 greenbacks. However, if you ask your purchaser in advance to pay you guys like $50 or $100, I would not go together with $100. You want to go with decrease offers like $50, and in the event that they pay you guys have $50, and also you purchase this intro for $9, you've got made $41 earnings. So that is how online commercial enterprise online corporations paintings, and I have executed this earlier then and it really works. 100 due to the fact I have commenced creating wealth online with this approach because I didn't have any money to make investments and that I just desired to make a few $100 according to month to just pay my payments. So, and this intro seems without a doubt awesome. If you can tell, let's see if we will make some different ones. So let's have a look at for example this one. So allows placed our call on the channel. We're going to leave it white and you can see you can put subtitle like I don't know your website or something like that. So let's examine preview. As I said, you are making intros in less than few seconds and numerous people don't know a way to do it. They do not want to waste time. They just need to awareness on their content at the YouTube channel due to the fact this is how they make their cash. So you have like humans that buy intro meals from you. You will be making 3-0 according to month simply from this simple technique. Simply one just for providing services for some YouTubers that they have created sparkling new YouTube channels. They've commenced growing and they may be making money on YouTube. So this is why I have asked you guys to consciousness on music. So you can see that is any other example, and it is in all likelihood as I stated due to the fact they need you men to pay $9 for their provider so that you simply drop delivery intros on YouTube, and that is going to be a big issue because as I stated there are heaps and tons of latest YouTubers that are coming each day. They're getting cash on YouTube, so while you offer them this type of offerings, they're likely going to shop for it. So guys, I additionally stated what you want to send an email deal with. You need to say hello, I have noticed your YouTube channel am able to offer you intro in your YouTube channel, and you could get examples like this. So let's say we are going to for gaming channel. You may cross click right here and you can click on YouTube. So that is so you're going to mention that is how your intro coin is going to look like. I will do it for you if you're interested by, and if you're now not interested by too, just quality. So don't worry if a person is going to say no. That is regular and commercial enterprise and not anyone. I am going to purchase it from you due to the fact you are offering them price. You are presenting them to have a higher looking YouTube channel, and if they are not interested by this, it's perfectly fine because we in all likelihood do not need to spend money or they do not want it to buy it from you. This is perfectly pleasant as I stated. However, lots of humans are going to be interested by your offer and they are in all likelihood going to shop for it from you. So that is right, that is what I desired to proportion with you men, and as I stated, caution. Get discouraged if a person denies you. If a person doesn't need to buy it from you, it's far perfectly excellent. This is how commercial enterprise works. So guys, that could be it in ultra modern